If you've got that classic vehicle that's got the nice patina that it took a lifetime to get, and you've been driving it around a while, and you're tired of it, then here's how you take it off. You need a little hydrogen peroxide from the local grocery store. Put some of that in there. And then a little distilled white vinegar. Put that in there. I like to use a cheap sprayer. Pump it up a bit. And then watch it melt away. Like magic. No sanding, no buffing, no work at all. It just comes off in front of your eyes. I can't see the A pillar over there, but I can imagine it's cleaning up. Here I can write my initials in the hood. Look at that. Makes the work easy. That's it. And once you've let it set for a few minutes, just simply hose it off. And that's it.